Want to make your Facebook profile aesthetic with cute icons? I'm Emily, and in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to have cute icons on your Facebook profile. Let's get started. First, open Facebook. Tap on the hamburger icon at the top right. Then tap on your profile picture. Tap on Edit Public Details. Scroll all the way down. Then tap on Add next to links. Tap on Add social link. Now select any social media that you want to by tapping on platform. I'm selecting YouTube. Then for username, select any emojis that you like. After you're done, tap on Done. Then tap on Save at the top right. And that's it. And this is how you add cute icons on your Facebook profile. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.